Let's take a look at the action that has been taken so far. As far as the Mumbai police inquiry is concerned, Ranveer Allahabadiya, Apurva Makhija, Samay Raina and others are under the lens. The Maharashtra Women's Commission has also taken note of the incident and has told Mumbai police to file an FIR in the case. Inquiry against organizers of India's Got Latent as well. So Mumbai police is also going to conduct an investigation and inquire the organizers. Allahabadiya and Samay Raina have been summoned by the Mumbai police in the case. Let's move on now. According to sources, the centre may issue a show cause. That's what we're given to understand. Priyanka Chaturvedi, leader of the Sena UBT, has in fact said that she will be raising the issue in INV standing committee. The INV ministry might give a notice to take down inappropriate content. It has already given a notice, I believe. Let's move on to other individuals who filed FIRs, filed cases. Ashish Rai and Pankaj Mishra are advocates. They want an FIR against artists, YouTube and the organizers as well. Then you have Nilotpal Pandey of the BJP who has filed a complaint with the Khar police. NCW has written to INV ministry seeking regulation and has said curb obscene content on OTT and social media. The Guwahati police has also taken action, has registered FIR against Allahabadiya, Samay Raina and others. Apart from that, you have Vineet Jindal, who is a Supreme Court advocate, and he's filed a complaint in Delhi urging for a complete ban on the show India's Got Latent, where this conversation happened, where this controversial statement was given. Let's now listen into the reactions that we are getting.
इंडियाज़ गॉट लेटेंट इस शो में समय रैना, रणवीर अलाहाबादिया और बाकी जो भी को पैनलिस्ट थे उनके द्वारा जो ये अभद्र और अश्लील टिप्पणियां की गई है, उसके ऊपर जो एक सोशल मीडिया में सारा एक अपरोर मचा हुआ है, उसके खिलाफ आज मैंने कंप्लेंट करी हुई है। ऐसी अश्लीलता इस समाज को दूषित करने वाली है।
लड़के और लड़कियों के बीच ऐसा संवाद जहां उनके प्राइवेट पार्ट्स के बारे में इस प्रकार चर्चा की जा रही है जो अश्लीलता को जन्म देता है, देश की युवा पीढ़ी को, बच्चों को, महिलाओं को बड़े ही अपमानजनक तरीके से संबोधित करने की बात उसमें की जा रही थी। हमने YouTube को ये डायरेक्शन दी है कि भारत में ये सब नहीं चलेगा, तत्काल ये कंटेंट हटाइए। जिन लोगों ने ये किया है उनके खिलाफ पुलिस में शिकायत दीजिए जिससे कि पुलिस अपनी कार्रवाई कर सके। ये सब तरीके की बदमाशियां भारत में हम चलने देंगे।